OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry. No, I'm with Mr. Orlando Pecchenino. So we are here to taste his Barolo. So tell us a little bit about your winery.
Yes, my winery is a family winery. Yes. I work there from many years, but my family worked there for 3-4 generations. And today we present Barolo on 08. Yes. We produce in Monforte d'Alba. We are 3 hectares there.
Only 3?
Yes, we are 3 hectares. To present today the Cru Le Coste is on the most important wine we produce. And this is on the best expression for the Barolo wine, I think.
But compared to the other Barolo, so what's your characteristic unique?
Every wine could be different, yes. But I think we are the vineyard is very high level. We are 400 meters, and we have more fruity and great aroma, very fresh wine, yes. And we have maybe less spicy, but more fruity, more aroma for raspberry, for example, and mint liquors.
Can we call it a more modern style of Barolo?
For me, it's more my making is more classic, and because I don't, I have, but it's between, I think, because we have a long fermentation, about 1 month, without selectionist, it's natural. And then we aging in the barrel for 3 years, but large barrel, large castle, very natural oak, not born, not smoke.
So have you already exported this wine to China?
Yes, I sure. I soon. We are ready to go there.
Thank you very much. OK， 所以大家看到呢，又是一款非常年轻的Barolo，但我们也知道，他们像我们刚才说那个，我们说戴纽斯说到的，其实他们家族这个酒已经非常长时间了，但是呢，风格上呢，这种果味更多呢，并不代表它就是一个非常现代版的Barolo，他们还是非常的传统版。所以如果大家看到这个 Pecchenino 的话，在中国的话，一定要去试一下，非常果味充足的一款Barolo。OK， 我们去看看下一家吧。Thank you very much. So see you around. Thank you a lot. See you.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.